Welcome back to our channel. Please give feedback to us for more number of electrical videos. Let's solve model 4 motor problem. A 4-pole, number of poles they have given 4. Shunt motor takes current of 22.5 amps from 250 volt supply. So IL they have given, not I8. Keep it in your mind because from supply they mentioned, and voltage they have given 250. Right. This is supply voltage. RA they have given 0.5 ohm, and RSH they have given 125 ohm, right? 125, right? The armature is wave wound, so wave wound, so A is equal to 2, right? And Z is equal to 300 conductor dimension, right? If the flux per pole is 0.02 Weber, flux per pole is 0.02 Weber. Calculate speed. We need to calculate speed of the motor and torque and power developed by the motor. So see the data. So how to calculate speed from this data? So they have given flux, number of conductors they have given, A also they have given. So EB is equal to 5PNZ by 60A. Everybody knows, right? From this formula we can calculate speed, but EB we don't know. EB we need to calculate. How to calculate torque? Torque is equal to 0.159 5PZIA by A, right? So just to substitute the values, you'll get answer. Okay. And how to calculate power? Power is equal to, you can use EB into IA or T into omega. First, I'll draw a diagram for this problem. There is a shunt motor, okay, having armature resistance and EB we don't know, we need to calculate, okay. And terminal voltage they have given, supply voltage 250 volts. And here to here, so IL is equal to 22.5, they mentioned, supply from the supply. And RSH they have given 125. RA is given 0.5 ohm, right? This is RA. Okay. And EB we don't know, we need to calculate. How to calculate EB from this data? So I'll apply KVL to this loop, right? VT minus IARA minus EB is equal to 0. EB is equal to what? VT minus IARA. There is no brush contact drop, we can neglect, okay? And IA we don't know. How to calculate IA? IA, just I'll apply KCL to this junction. IL, this is ISH, okay? IL is equal to IA plus ISH. See here, ISH and IA are leaving, right? IA current for this branch and then ISH current is for this branch. So IA is equal to IL minus ISH. How to calculate IA? IA is equal to IL, how much they have given? 22.5. How to calculate ISH? Voltage is common for this branch and this branch, so ISH is equal to VT by RSH. So VT by RSH. Finally, IA is equal to 22.5 minus VT is 250 divided by 125. We will get 22.5 minus 2, 20.5, right? IA. Now you substitute here, you will get EB. EB is equal to VT is 250 minus IA is 20.5 and RA is 0.5. Finally, you get EB is equal to 239.75 volts, okay, or 240 you can take, okay. Now we can calculate speed, right? So I'll calculate speed now. EB is equal to 5PNZ by 60A, right? So N is equal to EB into 60 into A divided by 5PZ. Finally, you will get EB is equal to 239.7 into 60 into A is equal to how much? 2, right? 2 divided by 5 is 0.02. 0.02. Number of poles are 4 and Z are 300 armature conductors. Finally, you will get N is equal to 1199 RPM. Okay. You can take 1200. Okay. Next, we need to calculate what speed over next torque. Torque is equal to 0.159 5PZIA by A. So 0.159 phi is 0.02 into number of poles are 8 into Z is 300 into IA is 20.5 divided by A is equal to how much? 2. So torque is equal to 39.1 Newton meter. Okay. And now we need to calculate power. Power is equal to EB into IA. So EB is how much? 239.7 into IA is 20.5. Finally, we'll get power is equal to 4.9 kilowatts. Next problem, a 220 volt series motor is taking a current of 40 amps. So supply voltage for series motor is 220, right? And taking current of IL 40 amps. For series motor, IA is equal to IL is equal to ISC is equal to 40 amps because same current is flowing. The resistance of the armature is 0.5. RA is given 0.5. And resistance in the series field winding is RSC is given 0.25. Calculate voltage at the brushes and back EMF, power wasted in the armature. How to calculate wasted power in the armature? Armature is IA square RA, right? So this is in power wasted in the armature. Okay. And what about power wasted in the series field winding? ISC square RSC, right? In the field winding. Right. I'll draw a diagram for this problem. There is a series field winding. Okay. Here there is a brush and here there is a armature and this one is EB, right? And here there is a brush. So here supply is given V terminal voltage 220 and current is given IL is equal to 40 amps, right? RSC is given is equal to 0.25, RA is given is equal to 0.5. We don't know EB and then we need to calculate drop in the brushes, right? Till here we need to calculate, okay? Till here. Apply KVL for this loop. Till here, okay? Till here. Not considering this part because they mentioned voltage at the brushes, okay? So VT minus ISC RSC minus V brush, okay? Minus V brush is equal to 0. V brush is equal to VT minus IA ISC RSC. So what about VT? VT is 220. ISC is how much? 40 amps because IL is equal to IA is equal to ISC. So 40 into 0.25. Finally, we will get V brush is equal to 210 volts. See here, from this here to here, so there is a 10 voltage drop because 220 supply they have given, but 10 gone here. Now we need to calculate back EMF. We will calculate back EMF now. Apply KVL whole circuit. So VT minus ISC RSC minus IA RA minus EB is equal to 0. EB is equal to VT minus ISC RSC minus IA RA. Right? So 220 minus ISC is how much? ISC and IA are same, so I'll take IA common outside or ISC common outside. So RA plus RSC, right? So 220 minus IA is 40 or ISC is 40. You can take any one common outside because IA is equal to ISC is equal to IL. So 40 into RA is 0.5 plus 0.25. Finally, you'll get 190 volts. See here, till here 210. If comes to here, another 20 volts drop. So finally, you'll get EB back EMF 190 volts. Now we need to calculate losses across armature and the losses across series field winding. So loss in power waste in armature is equal to IA square 40 square into 0.5. We will get 800 watts, and loss in the field winding, series field winding, IA square into RSC. So 40 square into IA is equal to IL is equal to IC, okay? 0.25. Finally, you will get 400 watts. So here 800 watts, here 400 watts wasted. Next problem, a 200 volts V terminal voltage given 200 volts and 4 pole, number of poles they have given 4. Lap wound, what is the condition? A is equal to P. DC shunt motor has 800 armature conductors. Z is equal to 800, right? The resistance of the armature is 0.5 ohm. RA is given 0.5. Field winding resistance is RSH is equal to 200 ohm, right? The motor takes current of 21 amps. So IL is 21 amps they have given. The flux per pole is 30 milliweber. So flux is given 30 into 10 raised to minus 3, right? Find the speed. We need to calculate speed and torque, right? So which formula will prefer for calculation of speed? Because flux is given, A is given, P is given, Z is given. So EB is equal to 5 PNZ by 60A, right? So 5 is given and then P also given, everything is given, but EB we don't know. EB we can calculate, right? By applying KVL, by using internal circuit diagram of a shunt motor. So I'll draw a diagram now, shunt motor. So there is a armature present, here there is a armature resistance, this is EB, and this one is terminal voltage VT, okay, and the motor takes a current of 21 amps. So 21 amps IL is given, okay, VT is given 200, and IA we don't know, and ISH also we don't know. RSH is given 200, right? So first we need to calculate EB for calculation of speed, right? So what is the equation for EB? Just I'll apply KVL over here. VT minus IARA minus, this is EB, okay, and this is RA, minus EB is equal to 0. EB is equal to VT minus IARA. But IA we don't know. We'll calculate IA now, okay? How to calculate IA? See here, IL entering into the junction. IL is equal to IA plus ISH. IA is equal to IL minus ISH. So IL they have given 21 amps minus ISH. How to calculate ISH? VT by RSH, right? So VT is VT by RSH. So 21 minus VT is 200 divided by 200. You will get 21 minus 1. IA is equal to 20 amps, right? Now we can calculate EB, right? EB is equal to VT is how much? VT is 200 minus IA is 20 into RA is how much? RA is 0.5. So 0.5 is given. 0.5. EB we got 190 volts. Okay. Now we can calculate speed, right? EB is equal to 5PNZ by 60A. So N is equal to EB into 60 into A divided by 5PZ. So EB is 190 into 60 into A is equal to what? P, right? So A is equal to P is number of poles is 4. So 4 divided by 5 is 30 into 10 raised to minus 3 into P is 4 again. Z is 800, right? So N is equal to 475 RPM. Next we need to calculate torque. Torque equation 0.159 5PZ IA by A, right? So 0.159 flux is 30 into 10 raised to minus 3 into number of poles here 4 and Z is 800 into IA is 20 divided by A is equal to P for lap on, that's why 4, right? Finally we get torque is equal to 76.32 Newton meters. Okay. Next problem, a 30 kilowatts 300 volts DC shunt generator has armature and field resistances are 0.05 ohm and 100 ohm respectively. So power is given, output 30 kilowatts, right? And V terminal voltage, output voltage they have given 300 volts. Generator has RA is 0.05, RSH is 100 ohm mentioned. Calculate the power developed in the armature. So power developed by the armature in the sense what? EG into IA, right? So I'll draw a circuit diagram for this one. I mean, this one is a shunt field generator. So field winding is parallel with the generator. This is RA, and then this one is EG, and this one is output terminal. Okay, V terminal output, because here we are generating, and this is output. Here IL they have given, IL they have not given. Okay, power is given. Power is how much? 30 kilowatts, and the voltage is 300 volts, right? So ISH, IA, and IL also we don't know. 100 ohm RSH they have given, and 0.5 ohm RA. And EG we don't know, we need to calculate now. So how to calculate for power developed by the armature? EG we want and IA we want, right? So EG we can calculate by applying the loop over here like this. And IA, how to calculate? IA is equal to IL plus ISH. So IA is equal to IL plus ISH. How to calculate IL? IL they have given here power, and voltage also given. Power is equal to VT into IL. Power is equal to VI. So VT is how much? 300. Power is given 30 kilowatts. So IL is equal to 30 kilo divided by 300. We'll get 100 amps. How to calculate ISH? ISH is equal to VT by RSH. So VT is how much? 300 divided by RSH is 100. You will get 3 amps. Just I'll substitute over here. So you'll get IA is equal to IL is how much? 100 plus ISH is 3. You'll get 103 amps. Okay. Now we need to calculate EG. I'll apply KVL over here. EG minus IARA minus VT is equal to 0. Okay, and EG is equal to VT plus IARA. So VT is how much? 300 plus IA is how much? 103 into RA is 0.05. EG is equal to 305.15 volts. Use calculator. See here, EG always more than VT. Keep it in your mind, because EG is a generated EMF, VT is the output voltage. Here drop will be there. That's why here we'll get less voltage. Now we need to calculate power. So EG is how much? 30 EG into IA. So 305 into IA is 103. Where power is equal to 31 kilowatts.